Would you like to see a way in which you can not only show progress in a project schedule, but also show evidence that the job has been done? Well, in this short video, we'll show you how to do this through the use of hyperlinks. In this example, you can see that the project has progressed to the point where we have shown that the application and obtaining of permits has been completed. But is there a way in which we can demonstrate that this has actually been done? In other words, provide evidence? Well, yes, we can, and we can do that through the use of hyperlinks. And this can be done relatively easy. You click on the task that you want to provide the evidence for, right-click in the information bar, and you'll see that the option is given there to link. And you'll be presented with a box here which asks you where you'd like to obtain the documents in which you'd like to link, and you simply navigate through that. And as we can see here, we want to obtain our foundation permit, and then you'll notice there that there is a link there that can be accessed like so. Now we can also show a column of our links by clicking the drop down menu, and we can scroll down to hyperlink, and you can see quite easily here that our foundation permit is also can be shown as evidence in our Microsoft project worksheet like so. If you wish to remove a hyperlink, this can easily be done. You can simply select the cell which contains the hyperlink and then click delete, and that will remove the hyperlink. Or you can right click on the little icon and move your mouse down to hyperlink and then select clear hyperlinks, and that will remove the link as well. So the good news with applying this particular advice is that you not only have a project schedule, but you also have an acceptance plan and also a stock take of deliverables. And of course, if you wish to change the column title, you can go to field settings by right-clicking above on the title, and we might want to call the title of this as evidence. So we type in evidence, and straight away your title showing all of the evidence underneath is adjusted to your liking. So a quick and powerful way in which to show your project board and those around you that you're not only keeping track but also demonstrating and providing evidence that the job has been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and please let me know if you have subscribed. I'd love to keep the conversation going.